Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Brie Cooks. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to do a video on an Aliexpress haul. So I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from Aliexpress for my trip, and a lot of the stuff happened to be dupes for a lot of things, so I was like I might as well just do a haul. So let's get into it.
I'm trying not to scream. Juice. Got 100 labels on speed dial, but I'm still in.
So the first thing I want to show is this shirt, and of course showing it to you like this, it looks weird, but it's a real cute bodysuit. And they sell this bodysuit. I've only seen this bodysuit a couple of I don't even really know how to show it to you. Okay, it's like a one shoulder bodysuit and then it crosses over. Kind of like, I'll just put a picture how it's supposed to look in this video. And basically, you can get this bodysuit from, let me see, Missy Empire. And it's like $19 on Missy Empire. On AliExpress, I got this for $8.89. So, like half the price. Good still. Okay, I got this cute little phone case. And, you know, phone cases can get kind of expensive. Like if you buy them from like those little boutiques and stuff, those phone cases could be like $30. I got this phone case for, I didn't write it in my notes, but I'll put it on the side. I'm pretty sure it was like less than $10 for this phone case. Right now I have this phone case, which I love rose gold. I love the marble print. And I got this case on Amazon, and so far I done seen like 4 or 5 people with this case. So it's a time for a change. So I will be putting this case on for my trip. Ordered a couple of lashes. You know, everybody's going crazy over these long 25mm lashes and stuff. They're like super cheap on AliExpress. There you can get some for like less than $5, and they are pretty long lasting. I'm wearing some right now. Let's see if I can zoom in. So they're like really long, and they don't itch or anything, because usually like if I wear like super cheap eyelashes, they'll make my eyelid itch, and it doesn't even do that. So I can tell they're decent eyelashes. I wasn't even going to wear these because when you get them in a package, they look so long and thick, and I don't like them to be too long and thick looking like spiders, because then they look fake. So I ended up putting these on just for this video, and I actually liked them. And these were another pair that I ended up cutting on the sides and at the bottom. The same thing I did with these. I cut them on the sides and the bottom, and they're still long. So these are one of them. I don't even know if I'm gonna wear these. And then this is a cute little another pair, and I got these also. So I will be wearing these, and I will be talking about it in future videos. I'll let you know how that goes. Okay, so let's talk about my AirPods case. Is so cute. So being that I was reading in the comments that the case, when you get ready to take the AirPod case out, that is hard to take out. We'll come down that road later. But this is cute. I've seen people selling these for like $20 to $30, and I'll put how much I paid for these, but they were like half the price. So my boyfriend thinks it's perfume, and he's like, oh, what's this? Let me smell, like taking stuff off. And now, so, and then the top, you have to be careful with the top, because the top does come off easily. But it's cute. It was cheap, and I think it's definitely worth buying. And I also bought like the little sticker to go inside the rose gold sticker. This is just so cute. I feel like it looks so much more neater because it was getting really dirty in that area. And also I bought these little Q-tip things to clean them. They like really get in there and get like all the dirt out of it without like damaging the little net part of the headphones. I don't know what it's called, but these are very good. And they also sell like some type of Q-tips like this in Ulta. I noticed when I went the other day, so I don't have to wait so long for shipping and stuff from Aliexpress. I might just get some of those, start cleaning my AirPods. So that's that. What we got in here? Oh, the infamous Diamante hairpins that everybody is wearing. I got one that say Boss and Zing and Fillings. I will be wearing these on my trip. And let me see if I put those. So yeah, I think they have these on Boohoo pretty cheap also, if you don't want to wait for the shipping from Aliexpress. But like a lot of people are selling these, and I'm pretty sure I got these for like less than $2 each. That's that. Oh, I also have another one in here. Yeah. Okay, so these I didn't get from Aliexpress, but they were really cheap. I think I got these from Boohoo. I want to say I got these from Boohoo. So it's this cute little pearl diamond hair clip. I'm gonna try to wear this on my trip too. Like, this is so cute. Let me see. I don't want my wig to fall off because I didn't even glue this on or nothing for this video. But I just want y'all to see. This is so cute. Like, it's shining. Shining. It's so cute. And I got these Diamante like hoop earrings, so cute. Boohoo had a really big sale, and it was like everything was just like so cheap. It was like 60% off everything, and everything was so cheap. I'm gonna put the prices in the video next. So what else got? Okay, let's talk about this infamous Diamante belt. This thing is so nice. It looks even better in person. Right here it look kind of cheap, but I promise you in person it looks so nice. And I think it's a pretty good quality. I'm not gonna lie, when I got it I noticed like a couple rhinestones falling off, but I feel like that just comes with it. I feel like that's gonna happen when you get it from another place anyways too. I remember like those flea market days, like you could find stuff like this and then it went out of style. It was considered cheap, and now like this is back, and I love this. And on Pretty Little Thing, they're selling this belt for $45. On Miss Lola, they're selling this belt for $42. On Missy Empire, they're selling this belt for like $28.75. On Boohoo, with the sale, or without, I don't remember, but on Boohoo, they're selling it for like $16. I got this belt from Aliexpress for $12.02. So, and that was with shipping. So there you go. That's that. And then I will be wearing this on my trip. To match, I got this cute bag, my little Diamante bag. This isn't from Aliexpress, this is from Boohoo. And they don't have the pricing on there. Okay, Amazon has this bag for $20. And Luxe to Kill, this website or boutique called Luxe to Kill, they're selling it for like $37. Miss Lola is selling it for like $36. I got this bag from Boohoo for like $18. So there you have it. It's so cute, and it's also one of those things where it looks so much better in person. It goes so good with the belt. And guys, excuse my nails. I'm going to get my nails done today, right after this video. So don't judge me. This video is short. I only got a couple of things. Okay, so I almost missed this. This little cute little. Let me take it out the package. You can't really see. This Cartier style ring. I'm not even gonna put how much. I mean, Cartier is expensive. And let me see. I got this ring for $2.01, but it's focus. It's so cute. It's the one with the, and it doesn't want to focus. It's the one with the rhinestone. I don't know if you can see, but it's like so cute. It's the Cartier style ring, $2.01. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna turn, but it was $2. You can't beat that. And this is kind of random, but oh my gosh, I was almost late for our flight twice, checking in a bag because it was too heavy. So I'm sitting here trying to take stuff out and put it back in. It's just a mess. So I went and invested in where you can weigh your bag at home. And this is only a couple dollars as well. Let me see. I don't have it here. But yeah, this is only like a couple of dollars. I did have to buy batteries, the circle looking battery. But I mean, yeah, it works. And I'll be weighing my bag with this. So that's that. And I saved the best for last. I was making sure I was recording. I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is one of those things where you order it and you praying it looked decent in person, and it did. It looks so nice. Like, look at this, and it's huge. I might have to zoom out. It's like covering my whole body. So this is the bag. It's huge, and I love it. This is kind of like that Chanel style. And I'm gonna kind of use this like as one of my carry-ons. So I'm gonna have a double bag, and then I'm gonna have this and put like my laptop and everything in it. And it has the little compartment where you can slide it on your like luggage. And that's so cute. And then the little straps, they're nice. They're not like cheap looking. And it actually has a lot of compartments in here. Let's see if I can show you. Well, not a lot, but like it has the main compartment. It smells like cigarettes though, I'm not even gonna lie. And that's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to Febreze this thing or something. So it comes with that compartment, and then it has a zipper. This bag heavy, y'all. I'm trying. It has a zipper in here. It has the main compartment, and then it also has this compartment in here, and then the main compartment. So yeah, I got a nice little couple of compartments. And this bag, I saw the big one. They sell a little one in a couple of places, but I saw the big one on this website called Monaveen London, and they were selling this bag for like 70 euros, basically like $78.38 American dollars. And I got this bag on Aliexpress for $36.32 with shipping. Like, that's less than half. Well, about half, yeah. So like all this stuff, I had like less than half the price. So the thing with Aliexpress, the shipping takes forever. It's not as bad as you think. Like, none of this stuff took months or a month, like maybe 2 weeks the most. But you know, it's a matter of like how bad you want it. You order your stuff ahead of time, but like I ordered all this stuff a month before my trip. I do leave tomorrow. But yeah, like you save like half the price. You're saving so much money. So I do recommend AliExpress. Like they have so much stuff on there, and then they stay in tune with like all the latest fashions and stuff. So yeah, just check out AliExpress. I will try to put the links to everything down in the description box below. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.